Here's a clear step-by-step guide for inserting an SD memory card into the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 and setting it up so the camera recognizes it. Step 1. Turn off the camera. Make sure the camera is switched off before inserting or removing a memory card to avoid damage. Step 2. Locate the memory card slot. The slot is inside the battery compartment on the bottom of the camera. Slide the battery/memory card cover latch in the direction of the arrow and open the cover. Step 3. Insert the memory card. Hold the SD card so that the label faces the back of the camera, LCD screen side, and the gold contacts face down toward the lens. Gently slide the card into the slot until it clicks into place. If it doesn't click, don't force it. Remove it and check the orientation. Step 4. Close the cover. Push the battery memory card cover down and slide the latch back to the locked position. Step 5. Format the memory card, recommended. To make sure the card works properly with your PIXPRO FZ55, turn on the camera. Press the menu button. Go to the Setup menu, wrench icon. Scroll to Format and select it. Confirm formatting. Formatting will erase all data on the card. Tip: the PIXPRO FZ55 supports SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards up to 32 gigs for SDHC and higher for SDXC. Check your manual for max capacity. Use a Class 10 or higher card for best performance, especially for HD video recording. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fixes to common tech and gadget issues.